Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Kitfort KT-1386 Food Processor, a versatile kitchen appliance designed to make everyday food preparation faster and more convenient. At first glance, the KT-1386 features a modern and practical design. The transparent working bowl allows you to monitor the process easily, while the compact construction helps save valuable countertop space. One of the main advantages of this food processor is its versatility. The package includes 4 different attachments, allowing you to perform multiple kitchen tasks with a single device. Whether you need to slice vegetables, prepare ingredients for salads, or speed up meal preparation, this appliance is built to handle the job efficiently. The vegetable slicing attachment is especially useful for everyday cooking. It helps create uniform slices quickly, reducing the amount of manual work required in the kitchen. This can be a major time saver when preparing large meals for family gatherings or weekly meal prep. Another benefit is the straightforward operation. The controls are easy to understand, making the appliance accessible even for users who have never worked with a food processor before. Cleaning is also relatively simple thanks to the removable components. The Kitfort KT-1386 is designed for people who want to spend less time on repetitive kitchen tasks and more time enjoying the cooking process. Its multifunctional capabilities make it a practical addition to many modern kitchens. Overall, the Kitfort KT-1386 offers a good balance of functionality, convenience, and versatility. If you're searching for a reliable food processor with multiple attachments and everyday usability, this model is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what kitchen appliance you'd like to see reviewed next. See you in the next video.